Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can change country in Google Play Store. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure that your account is signed in. After that, tap on your profile icon at top right corner and a pop-up will appear. Inside it, tap on Payments and Subscription and then tap on the Payment Methods feature at the top. Now all of your payment methods will appear on this screen, but you just need to tap on the More Payment Settings feature and you will be redirected to your internet browser. Here, tap on the hamburger menu at top left corner and then tap on Settings inside it. Once done, all of your account's basic information will appear in front of you. Simply scroll down a little bit, tap on the pen icon beside Region and then tap on the Create New Profile Embed. After that, tap on Continue and choose the preferred country. After choosing it, you can tap on the Continue button again to save the changes. So that's basically how you can change country in Google Play Store. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.